Customers quite often ask, how much will it cost? So that's a really tricky question for us as a design team and the owner of the business, because every project we do is different. So what we suggest is we invite customers to our showrooms to look at the different products that we offer, from timber, attractive PVC options to contemporary aluminium options, show off all the different ironmongery, the handles, talk about the different colours, and hone in on the details. The reason we do this is, in order to get a quotation, we really need to establish which product line customers really like. So we invite people into the showroom to start with. That's the first stage in the process of obtaining a quotation for a project that you might be considering having done. We'll then hopefully be invited back to your home, where we'll survey your requirements. This might be doors, it might be windows, might be a sliding door. So this gives us the opportunity to establish how much work is involved in the project. So either myself or one of our design team will pop out and take a number of notes and photographs for reference. We'll listen to customers' requirements, and we'll make suggestions as to which product we'd recommend in certain circumstances. Quite often people might have a PVC product for windows and they might have a timber front door. So then they might have an aluminium sliding door, not unusual at all. So when we pop out, we can give you an approximate cost of the project. We'll then go away and do some thinking, come up with some ideas. We might chuck some photographs over to customers to say, look, do you like the look of this? We might do some design drawings. Once we've established exactly what customers like, we then email over a very detailed quotation with all the costs on there, which includes the installation. So as well as the product, we include detailed survey, installation, and of course all the guarantees that come with all the various different products.